everyone! Today I'm going to make something. I will show you in a minute what it is. Look what I made. I made a sandwich with purple jam. So, Miss Margie, are we going to write about how to make a sandwich with purple jam? Nope, we are not going to write a how-to story, but it tastes really delicious. So what are we going to learn? Let me chew first. Did you know that purple jam is made out of purple grapes? They are delicious too. Yummy. So today we are actually going to write about our opinions. And when you have an opinion, you do not always have to agree with someone. So somebody else could have a different opinion than yours. What do you think is my favorite color? Let's see. Do you have an idea? What could be my favorite color? Wait, I'm going to get something. Maybe you will have an idea when I come back. Hold on. Can you guess now what my favorite color is? What did you say? What color is it? Yeah, it is purple. So today we are going to write an opinion about our favorite color. And when you write an opinion, then it is something that you think. So you could start sentences with saying, I think purple, because that's my favorite color. I think purple is the best color. Or my favorite color is purple. But maybe your favorite color is something different. So you see, we don't always have to agree. I do not like brown, like my shirt, but I like purple. Or I could also start writing a sentence with, I like purple. Or, I believe purple is the most beautiful color in the whole wide world. Or, I feel purple is the best color. Well, that's so great, but when we are writing an opinion, then we also have to write this. What is this word? Can we read it together? Because. So I could say, I feel purple is the best color because, and then I have to write something. Well, maybe because I think purple jam is really yummy. And I also think that purple grapes look very pretty. Or I think that my purple cup is really nice. And I also really like my purple knife. But I could also say that because I have purple perfume. And it smells so lovely. Or maybe it is because I like my purple snacks. They are so yummy and so sweet. There are many things why I like purple. Now, I'd like to hear about your favorite color. So what we are going to do this week, first, find in your house anything that is with your favorite color. Maybe it's one item, maybe you have more items. And then I want you to take a picture of it and post it here on Seesaw. And then say, for example, my favorite color is pink. And then you have all kind of pink things in your picture. And then this week you are going to write your opinion about your best color. For example, if you really like blue, you could say, I feel blue is a great color because, and then you have to write your opinion. Or maybe you want to say, I believe green is the best color because, and then you can tell me why you think green is the best color. Or maybe you could say, I like pink because, I can't wait to see all your opinion writing about your best color. Bye bye everyone. See you next time.